Good morning. Well, the volatility index has hit its highest ever reading since the GFC after global markets settled into correction territory, losing 10% from their record highs. And that's why we saw the US Federal Reserve pledge on Friday to ease some of the market pain slightly, saying it would act as appropriate. And that saw US equities limit their losses on Friday. So now the big question is, will the RBA at their meeting tomorrow to announce some type of intervention? Well, the market's looking for a rate drop, but over only 11% of economists are expecting rates to be cut. What to watch today? Well, earlier the futures were suggesting a 0.6% drop after on Friday the market lost 3.4%. Last week we lost 9.8%. However, we're now 10.1% off our all-time high. That's for the ASX 200. A few companies are reporting results today, including automotive aftercare accessory business AMA, shipbuilder Austral, their ticker code is ASB, and gold producer WestGold Resources WGX. What else to note? Well, Citi has now come out downgrading global GDP growth on the back of Corona from 2.7 to 2.5% global GDP growth, and that's its equal lowest growth level since the GFC. Citi also says since 1951 there's been 23 times the S&P 500 lost 10% in a week, and the week after the average gain was 25% for the next 12 months. But there was two occasions that the S&P 500 did give off a negative return the year after. So drawing from that quite loosely, there's a 90% chance the S&P 500 will gain 25% over the next 12 months. But you do have to take this quite lightly because there are a lot of variables at the moment with Corona and with the outbreak not yet being contained. Just calling out the figures from markets on Friday. In the US, the S&P 500 lost 0.8. The Dow Jones lost 1.4. The Nasdaq was steady. Over the week, the Dow fell 12%. or 3,500 points, and that was its largest weekly point loss in history, but its biggest percentage drop since 2008. European stocks also lost 13% last week, falling from their February 19 highs into correction territory, also their worst weekly loss since October 2008. On Friday, we saw the Stoxx 600 and the German DAX lose 3.8%. The French CAC and the UK FTSE followed. Gold, meantime, has lost over 3%. It's now $1,566 an ounce as traders clip off profits from the table. Oil lost 5% over the week. It's now $44.76 a barrel after making its biggest weekly decline since the GFC. The iron ore price is trading slightly lower at 86.58 a tonne, and the Australian dollar is buying 64.63 US cents, which does bode quite well for our iron ore and commodity players. Have a great day.